So what's up guys? I'm with my cousin and we are playing Call of Duty. And say hi. Say hi. Yo. Yeah. So we are gonna know. So let's play now.
Maganda ang level from Nando. Oh! Bakit mo? But I didn't need to switch to knife. Man, should I use DLQ or not? Yes or no?
And comment who is the most.
Yes, I'm using the Koshka now. No. Wait. Go. I'm gonna quit first. I'm gonna do something. Okay? I'm gonna switch my loadout. Lalagay
Bro,
lang ako.
she quit.
What? I'm a boy, bro. Not a girl.
She is a loser.
It's not she, bro.
So we are gonna rematch because he said he is gonna fix something.
Wait.
What are you gonna fix? And she want to get the JLQ gold. And I already got it. Ready?
I'm gonna use DLQ all my life, bro. I'm already done.
Okay. And she is only 29.
I used to be level 74, bro. Why are you saying that?
Bro. And
Man, you toxic.
and follow my cousin's YouTube channel. Tell what is your
So gaming GB7, bro.
yes?
For gaming
Wait.
GB7.
And watch us play Call of Duty and we are just gonna focus. Just stay guys.
No. But I didn't even upgrade my gun. God damn. I didn't see.
Oh damn! She killed me guys. There she is.
Do whatever. I knew it. I heard the
And
sound of the gun.
comment is my cousin is a noob.
Hell no, bro. I ain't a noob.
If do you think she is a noob, comment noob.
I'm a boy.
Comment noob. If
Why are you telling me?
do you think my cousin is
Bro, I am not a girl.
if comment noob is he is a noob. Comment guys noob. Comment noob. Brother,
Brother.
comment noob.
You forgot to tell them to like and subscribe.
No, we're gonna tell them at the end.
Okay.
And do you know Bon Ardona guys? Subscribe Bon Ardona. Because she is my favorite YouTuber. Who's it's
How did?
and
Bro, can I have your gun?
and Usus is my idol in Call of Duty. And my cousin say
Can I have the ano? Yes.
and she says that she want to borrow my gun.
Ayo, look at What did I say you? My gun has been released.
And comment if I am not a noob. Comment here. Comment to her channel. Like and subscribe to my cousin's channel. What is your channel's name? What is your channel's name, cousin?
Gaming GP7. Oh, shoot! And then it says,
So, how do you long want us to 1v1?
If we get to bro is cheating. If Ken gets to like 10 subscribers, we are gonna 1v1 in my favorite game. In my PS2.
What do you think is my habit?
Oh,
Oh no!
play basketball.
Yeah. No. 30. And my cousin is overnight in our house. Right?
Oh, shit.
Right?
No? Yeah, no.
Damn! She is not a noob. I think she is locked in. Bro.
That was almost a head.
Bro! She's gonna lock in. And today we are not gonna let that slide. Dang! Sorry.
I ain't not locking in, bro. You know me.
Bro, just lock in. Can say that you are a noob.
Fine, bro. I ain't noob, bro.
Breaking. Oh, that's break. Oh no. No, she is beating me. And she is cooking me.
I ain't got the gun, bro.
And I just get my position comfortable. And now I am gonna, because she is gonna beat me, guys.
Oh,
Damn.
down. God damn.
That one is.
I just to the level 17.
And if do you want to, and if you do you want to 1v1 me, just comment. And my name is Rockets1175.
But you say, not name.
Oh, sorry guys. My name is Rocket17.
Not your name.
Because if the user,
Username.
I don't know my user.
Oh.
Okay guys, if you want to 1v1 me or my cousin, just comment if you want to 1v1 me. And I will send you my username. Who do you think are gonna win? Me or my cousin?
Your extended video. If I still have the right equipment when I was still level 7 to 9, I will be toe to toe because I know how
No,
did I get
dang.
that shot? I just slide off and I shot.
And follow. And my cousin is vlogging right now. She's dang.
Get the gold.
That is no scope. And
Why do I always need the gold?
no.
Why do I always need the gold? I know that's not doing it.
Hello, brother.
Brother.
Hello. I will not gonna let this slide. No, brother. And my cousin now is not a noob. No, bro, I hit him. I hit him in the balls.
How did I miss that? You only get
No. You're not gonna kill me.
That is 2 minutes.
No, damn. Oh no, I almost hit that. And if you do you want to I always post, comment, always post. And please, my my YouTube channel always doesn't have a comment.
Well,
Yun. I didn't see him. And me and my cousin is actually a Filipino, right?
yeah.
Just sample them at Tagalog. At
Hello.
kamusta? Kami ay
You already-
nagwawan.
You
Biwan lang.
already know that we're going to do that. That's because
And make my channel 100k subscriber. Please. That is
oh,
my
by
goal.
mine is 10 million. To get the
Uy! Third na
oh shit.
napindot ko. Napindot ko.
I'm killing that dog.
Kill my
my God,
kill him. Kill him.
Oh shoot! Man, that dog has balls. Why does that dog has balls?
Oh, what the
Why does
Oh,
the dog
headshot.
has balls? I just saw the dog has balls.
what the no game. The time is already gonna out. And the time is only 28 minutes. No! Yay!
Oh shit!
I think she's gonna win, bro. No! I will gonna make it 15 before it's no.
I think they can do like that.
No gang.
Wanna rematch, bro?
So that's it for us. That is it for us. And like and subscribe if you want another content like this. Bye. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Peace.